Hello students, welcome again. We are going to solve question number 7 today of exercise 2.2. It is the same way we have solved as question number 5. But in that question, here the numbers were proper fraction or the whole number. Here it is mixed fraction. So let us start. It is having two parts. We have to find half of 2 integer 3 by 4 and half of 4 integer 2 by 9. So first part is half of 2 integer 3 by 2. I can write it as half of I can write as multiplication, and this I will convert it into improper fraction first. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4. You know how to multiply two fractions. Numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator. 11 1s are and 4 2s are 8. Now converting into mixed fraction, you know how to convert it into mixed fraction. 8 1s are 8. What is the remainder? 3. So your answer is 1 integer 3 by 8. Now second part, in that second part says half of 4 integer 2 by 9. Half of 4 integer 2 by 9. So we have to convert this into improper fraction. So half multiply by 9 4s are 36 plus 2 is 38 by 9. 2 can be cancelled out with 38. 2 1s are and 2 9s are, that is 19 2s are is 38. So your answer will be 19 1s are 19 and 9 1s are 9. Converting into mixed fraction will give me 9 2s are 18. What is the remainder? 1. So 9 2s are 18 plus 1 will give me 19 by 9. This is your answer. Solving part B. Part B says first is 5 by 8 of 3 integer 5 by 6. 5 by 8 of can be written as multiplication, and this number can be written in improper fraction as 6 3s are 18 plus 5 23 by 6. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 25 is 100 and 5 3s is 15 and 8 6s is 48. Now converting it into improper fraction, we will divide 115. 48 2s will give me 96, and what is the remainder? 4 from here and 15, so it will be 19 remainder. So your mixed fraction will be 48 2s 96 plus 19. This is your answer. Now second part. 5 divided by 8 of 9 integer 2 by 3, which can be written as 5 divided by 8 multiply by, this will be converted into improper fraction. 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29 by 3. Again we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 20 into 5 will be 100 and 9 5s is 45. So it will give me 145 divided by 24. Converting it into mixed fraction, we will divide 145 by 24. 25 4s is 96. So let me take 25 5s. 5 4s 20. 2 carry, 5 2s 10, 120. And again 24, if I am adding to it, it will give me 144. So it will be 25 6s. 24 6s. 24 6s is 144, remainder is 1. So our answer will be 24 multiplied by 6, remainder 1. So 6 integer 1 by 24. This is your answer. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.